Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Dear viewers, now I am in Nagaland going for a New Year celebration, and this is the place which is very dangerous, but by God's grace everyone is safe so far. And this place is coming under Chumukadima. We are heading towards Kohima to have a good celebration. We hope to reach there by 4 o'clock. Hello friends, have you ever seen such a beautiful place? This is a hilly roads and it's so beautiful. You can see the formation of the rocks here and cutting of the roads. Even though it is hazardous, people really enjoy.